Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading and exploring how you can earn through the BingX Referral program. If you're looking for a way to enhance your trading experience while also benefiting your friends, you've come to the right place. The BingX platform is an innovative cryptocurrency exchange that not only provides trading opportunities, but also a fantastic referral program. By using the referral code CHUCHU, you can unlock amazing benefits for both you and your referees. Let's understand how this works. When you use the referral code CHUCHU while signing up for a BingX account, you're not just creating an account, you're also setting the stage to earn bonuses and discounts on trading fees. It's a win-win situation. For every person you invite to join BingX using your referral code, you can earn a percentage of their trading fees. This means that every time they make a trade, you're rewarded, creating a continuous stream of passive income. Given the volatility and activity in the cryptocurrency market, this could be quite lucrative. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to refer others. Simply share your unique referral code, CHUCHU, with friends and family. You can do this through social media, chats, or even in crypto communities. The more people you invite, the more you earn. And don't forget, your friends will benefit too. When they use the referral code CHUCHU, they'll gain access to lower trading fees, which means they keep more of their profits. This added value can help you encourage more signups, creating a network of successful traders. In summary, the BingX Referral program is an exceptional opportunity for anyone looking to earn additional income while introducing their friends to the world of cryptocurrency trading. By using the referral code CHUCHU, you and your referees can enjoy lower fees and earn more with every trade. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today with BingX, use the referral code CHUCHU, and start your journey to earning with this amazing program. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and insights into the crypto world. Happy trading!